guys, we got a new project today. It's a 1987 Chevy S10. This thing was sitting outside for about 4 years, as you can tell, on the sun-beaten paint. My uncle dropped it off. He wanted to sell it, so I told him I'll clean it up for him and do a few things, because I mean, this truck's actually in really good shape. It's been oil coated. It's in really good shape. Exhaust looks good. The wheels are a little rusty from sitting around, but this truck's been oiled, like you can tell from looking over here. Let's check out the interior. Interior is intact. Some little tears and stuff, but looks like there were some mice that were chilling in here. Dash has got a crack over here. Other than that, looks pretty good. Everything is here. No broken switches. Let's check out the engine. I don't see any rust, I just see a lot of dirt. Wow, it looks really good shape. Nice. It's been oiled heavily. Heavily oiled. Okay. We're gonna wash this thing and get started on it. There was some rust on this door, and my uncle had it painted. You can see the reflection. Wave, Gina. But we're gonna polish this out. This is where there's the old paint. So I'm gonna fix all this. Definitely needs wiper blades. Wow, this truck's in good shape. It's in good shape. Okay, let me grab the keys.
That is hilarious. Yay! Working!
All right, Sean.
Yo.
What do you think of the new project?
Nice.